Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, liko muna tayo sa incident quite recently dito sa bahay na yung kapitbahay natin ninakawan. Guys, I want to make it clear that our intent in this video is not to put this person in harm's way. Do not put the law in your hands. Our intent is not to vilify someone without due process. Sana po ay you take this video as awareness and also to take important parts na hindi mangyari sa inyo tong nangyari sa kapitbahay natin. So without further ado, let's get it on! Before ko i-flash yung mga videos natin, allow me to talk a little about the history of my experience when I was still in college. So I remembered one of my PE teachers, he was namumulot daw siya ng basura. So that's why he is very open to having this type of people in their homes kasi sila daw ay naghihirap, and then they're just trying to get money out of getting recyclable materials in the streets. So I'm not trying to say that all of them are criminals, but in most cases kasi when they get into subdivisions, more importantly subdivisions na wala namang strict guards in their area, or homeowner associations that cannot afford one such as ours, talagang they are just waiting for an opportunity. So talagang mataas ang chance that they're going to take advantage if you're going to give them one. Okay, so in this next clip, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya mag-observe ng area, and then how he takes time to observe if there are people around the alley or the strip sa lugar nyo. So it's very important that you have, number one, I'd like to highlight CCTV cameras. So sa unang clip, makikita nyo that he sees my camera right then when he tried to observe, kasi yung pader namin is interlinks, so see-through, nakikita sa loob. So nakita niya na may CCTV. It's very important that you position your CCTV cameras where the people outside or passing by can see it, kasi deterrence po ito. So okay, so here's the clip. Ito, bumaba na siya. Yung situation kasi namin dito sa bahay, nasa dead end po kami. So as you can see, yun ang moves talaga niya. I mean, the previous week he was here. Good thing paalis din ako ng bahay, but you know, they're normally light on their foot. Yan, nakita na niya yung CCTV. So he knows he's at risk if he enters. Yan. So bumalik na lang siya. Napansin niya naman walang laman masyado yung sako niya. There. In that clip, tiningnan na niya yung gate ng kapitbahay kung may lock. And downside kasi, yung gate ng kapitbahay, it's always unlock. Pwede mong i-open from outside. So yan, as if malis siya. So this part here, wala na kayong makikita ng activities. So he left around 4-5 minutes, tapos bumalik na siya at may bandana. Alright guys, in this sequence, turn your eyes sa light bulb there on the top right. Yan. He already removed the bar lock. Again, walang padlock yung gate. So, parang may napansin siyang papasok. Mataas kasi itong hagdanan. I mean, mahaba. And there, umalis muna siya ng saglit. Tapos, he went back after a while. Makikita niya naman yung timeline dyan. Ilang minuto siyang umalis. Just to clear out the area bago siya mag-attempt na pumasok uli. Pero at this point, natanggal na niya yung yung bar lock. Again, walang padlock tong gate. Kaya iusog mo lang yung bar lock. Yan. So, yung sako niya empty. Pumunta siya malapit sa gate kanina, I think may contents yun, pero ngayon nung pumasok siya uli, wala nang laman yung bag niya. So 2:31, so mga 4 minutes that ikat ko na lang yung clip na to, balik ulit tayo doon sa palabas na siya. Okay, because that's dito, paalis na siya. Nakita nyo, klarong-klaro. Marami ng laman ang bag niya. May pamasko na ang bisita nating culprit. Yan, so that's how he operates. Until now, makita nyo naman, it's October 15. Di pa siya bumabalik. And I'm waiting for him to come back. Kakausapin ko talaga siya. Yan, so that summarizes our video. If you live in Barangay Lahug, Barangay Busay, or Barangay Apas, I'm sure potential na dadaan tong taong to sa areas ninyo. Again, do not put the law in your hands kung makita nyo siya. Yung ginawa lang namin dito to suggest kasi dati akong officer ng Homeowners Association, is starting through this incident, kasi marami nang ninanakawan dito, and my suspicions would be people like this guy na namumulot ng basura. So I recommended na lahat, when I say lahat ng namumulot ng basura, maliban na lang sa the ones that are official nung naka-tricycle na bumibili ng recyclable materials, na suki na namin dito sa area ang pwedeng pumasok. The rest, if any resident will see na may namumulot ng basura, may dalang sako, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to discriminate, but to be safe, I would rather implement this para maiwasan ang opportunities ng pagnanakaw. Okay? No offense, hindi ako it depends on the Homeowners Association, pero I told all the members of the association to deter people na namumulot ng basura, and agad-agad you tell them that the rule has been relayed to all members of the association na bawal na magpapasok ng mamumulot ng basura, and immediately notify that person na para maiwasan, kasi it's a standard procedure to call authorities. Pwede nyo tawagin yung barangay tanod, at saka pangalawa is you can call the police station where your jurisdiction is para ma-actionan. And you tell that person na umalis ka na lang para hindi ka madala sa presinto. Yun na lang siguro. And again, it is best that you have CCTV cameras. IP cameras are very cheap nowadays, so you can just get it at around 1,500 depending on the brand. Just choose the high definition, malaki-laki yung memory card. And yeah, that's it. Keep your cameras where people will see na meron kang camera. Okay? Para, you know, maiwasan ang nakawan or the intent to take advantage na mag-force entry ng property ninyo. Okay? So, hindi ko na patatagalin pa. Yun lang yung tip ko. And sana may natutunan kayo sa clip na ito. So, I understand that this is deviating from my usual vlogs na halaman. No? Anyway, it's important that I will relay this information to you guys para naman safe ang bahay ninyo. So, until our next video vlog, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.